This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Nicely furnished upstairs and unit offered turnkey and ready for you. This highly desirable orchid floor plan has 2 BRS plus den and 2 BOSS. Enjoy sunny southeast rear exposure with view of wooded preserve from your large back corner lanai. New AC system in 2019. Spacious kitchen with newer stainless steel fridge. Plush newer carpeting in main living areas with tile in kitchen and baths. Upgraded fixtures and fans. These units come with an assigned carport space and storage closet. Located in the resort community of Colonial Country Club, which offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, multiple pools, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. This unit comes with a bundled social membership that offers access to all community amenities and pay-as-you-play golf. The community is highly desired for its convenient location, high-quality amenities and moderate fees. Must see this attractive condo. For more information, review the details below.